Hey, this is Dinesh with another video. So today we're gonna see the Polo GT TSI, which is of red in color, which look very stunning in this color. So these are the keys for the car. As you can see it, it has 3 buttons: lock, boot opening and unlock button. So it has the flip key function. Even the keys are built very good in quality, and the bumper gets from the GTI. You can see the GT batching. The headlights still do not get any projector headlamps or LED DRLs, and there is a cornering light. The wheels are 16-inch wheels, which are finished in darkened color. The alloy looks stunning, and the rear view mirror, it's also finished in darkened color to give more appealing feeling to the car. And there is a side, and there's a GT TSI written over there in the side also. The backlight gets the LED treatment. There is no reverse parking camera, but it has the reverse parking sensor, and there's a TSI batching, and on the other side it has the GT batching. Let's open the boot and see how it looks. Press the boot button. Press the Volkswagen logo to open the boot. The boot is of decent in size. There's some stuff which is given by the Volkswagen, and it is a first aid kit and other things inside. Let's see the spare wheel. The spare wheel doesn't get an alloy wheel, it's a normal unit, and you can remove the parcel tray. Sun blind, which is of other, the extra things we have put. There is a reverse wiper, washer, and there's a reverse spoiler. So this is the only car which can go like 0 to 100 in 11 seconds in this segment. It's an automatic DOHC gearbox unit. The build quality of the car is really nice. Volkswagen stands for the build quality. Let's see the side. As you can see, the build quality is really good. Let's open the door and see how it is inside. Doors are heavy. Let's see it inside. The inside is in full black color, which gives a sporty feeling for this car. As you can see it, everything is put together, well put together actually. Let's close the door. These are the controls for the power windows. Let's see it. This is a DOHC gearbox. Everything looks good. This is an aftermarket unit which we have fixed it. You can open and store some stuff inside. Even the inside quality is good. Manual handbrakes. There is some storage space here. The glove box is decent in size, and there is a bottle holder, twin cup holder here, another bottle holder on the driver's side. So storage problem, it's not a problem. As you can see the key, let's on it. Let's start the ignition, and to start the car you have to press the brake pedal, and there's a brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. These are the instrument cluster. There's no changes. This is to get the information instrument. You can, like, from the steering mounted controls, you can adjust the information in the instrument cluster. You can see more informations, and this is for the voice command. And the other side has the controls for the infotainment system to adjust the volume up, volume down, change the track, mute, everything is in the steering controls itself. As you can see, this is the infotainment system. It has radio. Let's put the media down. It's a media. You have to connect your phone app settings and other settings are here. It has like sound, screen settings, language, Bluetooth, system information, everything is been here. Once you offer it, you get this beautiful analog clock, and this is for the automatic climate control. It works very well, cools the cabin in no time. There are different controls given here, and this is to adjust your temperature. Simply turn over to off it. This is the DOHC gearbox. It's in parking. Reverse, it has only reverse parking sensor. Neutral, drive, and push it to the other side to manually take control of this car, like plus and minus, 1 and minus 1, and put it into sport mode to get the best out of this engine. It doesn't get any mirror, it has only the ticket pocket, and this is auto dimming rear view mirror, very good in this segment, and there's a mirror on the passenger side. The fabric is really good, looks premium in this car. Overall quality is really good for this segment. Everything is really put together, and this is to control the rear view mirrors, electrically adjustable and foldable, as you can see it. And this is the power window controls. In this car, every windows has one touch up down. So as you can see it on the passenger side also, it has one touch up down. It's really a great feature. And steering, it has both for reach, and it has like height adjustable and for reach. Really helpful feature. And here it has the cruise control. You can set it and cancel it, and it's also a light control. And this side has the wiper controls, and this is for the headlamps. It doesn't get any auto headlamps or auto wipers. This is for the headlamp leveler. Really very good car. This is for the lock and unlock the car, and the sensor there. And this is for the traction control, rear wiper switch, rear defogger, instrument cluster. Let's open and see how it is in the back seat. The disappointment part here is it doesn't get more space in the rear. As you can see it, there is no much leg room. I am 6 foot tall, and it is suitable for 4 passengers, not for the tallest one, but for 2 the tallest one can easily fit in. And there's a light there, there's a hook, there's a grab handle, and even the back seat gets one touch up down windows, as you can see it. Very premium feature. Let's take the key. I'll show you another feature which is in the key, and I forgot, like it has the height adjustable driver seat, which is really helpful for the shorter or the tallest passenger, drivers. This is the feature. So once you hold on to the unlock button, all the windows goes down. You have to hold on to the unlock button to open all the windows. So it's very helpful in the hot sunny day. And once you press the lock button, you have to hold it, and all the windows goes up, as you can see it. Really a very good feature which all Volkswagen cars have it. Very beautiful car in this segment. So thank you for watching the video. So if you like it, please click on the like button and subscribe.